everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. I'm zabellefortes, and if you're new here, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell button so that you are all updated with all my future videos. Hello everyone! Welcome back sa ating channel. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys get ready with me makeup tutorials. If going mall, those with your friends, or going to a quick errands, you can wear this makeup. And hang on guys, samahan nyo ako till the end of the video and I'll show you how. Let's go. Let's start now. I'm done with my moisturizer, color corrector with black lipstick.
Give it to me like to me like give it to me like give it to me like give it to me like
Okay guys, here's now my final look and I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang video na ginawa ko ngayon para sa inyo. And this is get ready with me makeup tutorial. Simple makeup, going out or shopping or meeting with your friends, going a mall, you can wear this makeup.